Hi, it's Daniela here. I wanted to pop in and do just a really quick video explaining what's going to happen with the group, the Stitch With Me in 2025 group, when it rolls over to become Stitch With Me in 2026. So let me answer a few questions very briefly. The first one is, yes, there'll be a group. It'll just roll over. So if you're a member of Stitch With Me in 2025, just like in years past, it will roll over and you'll be a member of Stitch With Me in 2026. Again, all prompts will come out on the first of the month and will continue throughout the entire year. You're welcome to post any of your prompts from 2025 or 2026 if you are still working on the 2025 book. Just make sure you label it so that we know what prompt you're doing. That would be helpful. Also, anyone is welcome to post in our group regarding the Stitch With Me in 2026 projects or any of the previous years. I ask that you don't post things from other groups. Some groups overlap and you do a prompt in both groups. Those are more than welcome. But there has to be some tie-in to our group. I want to encourage you to comment and share others' posts if you enjoy that type of thing. It's something you can do that supports not only the group, but all the emerging artists and all the skilled artists already in the group. Now, as usual, I ask that you do take a look at my videos on YouTube. The playlist will be up perpetually, but also it helps me to continue to do this. A lot of artists start charging for membership. I don't want to do that. And between your encouragement with your kind words and just taking a few minutes to watch my channel, that is super helpful. Next week, the week of Christmas, I hope to get out the video that explains the book for next year, the measurements and some of the supplies you'll need. More or less, it's like the year previously, where it's going to be create your own book based on fabrics you like. I'll try and get that video out early next week so you have time to work on it, and then the first prompt will come out on January 1st. Thank you all for your support, your kind words, for sharing your work, and for sharing kind words with others. This is a wonderful group, and I hope we can keep it rolling this year.